am Ariselvan from CSE department. Today I'm talk about to create a 2D game using Unity software. But that is my project. I explain how to create this 2D game. First, we import the images into the assets. This is the player and coin. This two is crowd. This is an hurdle, and this is the track. And these two files are important because the two files is the main functions to run this 2D game. Normally, you use drag and drop. First, you select the background image to drag and drop the box. And I also same you drag and drop all the 2D game parts. Finally, you completed the all drag and drop. You create two hash script share script file. Click the right click and create share script to give name player or anything else. I created one player and a score file. So I delete this. In this player file is particularly customized in player moving or jumping, forwarding, anything, etc. In the score to calculate the score of the game, you select the player and drag and drop the player file to the player settings. I already imported the player script into the player settings. If I any code I type into the Shia script folder, that code will function in the player. This is the player code. Void update, void on trigger 2D game. And this is the score calculated. Value.txt equal to coin count to string. Finally, all are completed. You run and play the game. Thank you.